2002, LogiMAT started in Stuttgart. That was in a very small way. In India, it is a second edition at Mumbai, but this time it is larger and we are finding a lot of interest from the business visitors.
Yes, it's a fantastic show. Again, this is the second time I'm here in India, and looking at the halls makes every trade show organizer very happy. The exhibitors are happy. We see a lot of visitors. The accompanying program, the conference program, is very high level. So it's a fantastic situation. And if this situation still continues in the next 2 days, I will be the happiest man alive flying back from India to Germany by the end of the week.
I'm very happy that we have a fantastic show with 125 companies. We saw a 20% increase compared to last year in Delhi and also in square meter size, in the quality of the booths. I think we set here a new standard for LogiMAT India, and we also will be back in Mumbai next year. We have fantastic topics which fits in the conference section, which fits the Indian market. And we saw also a lot of interest from international participation. India is the place to be at the moment, also for the logistics industry and for the material handling, warehousing industry. And I'm very familiar with the German market, and the Germans are looking for new business opportunities in India. They have the platform here to have a look and feel at the market, maybe to avoid mistakes their competitor already made. So because the exhibition is the only platform where you meet your customers, but you also meet your competitors. And I'm very confident having the first day visitor numbers. We will have a record number compared to last year, quality visitors, quality buyer groups. And I'm happy and proud that what we made, and I'm looking forward welcoming you at LogiMAT India the next 2 days, or in Stuttgart, or next year here again in Mumbai. Thank you.
Now, this exhibition talks about the intralogistic warehousing solutions. This is based on the LogiMAT show that happens in Stuttgart, which is the mother show, actually, which is one of the world's largest show in this sector. So the LogiMAT India has been also growing, and the second edition there's been a growth of about 10%. When we look at the logistic costs in India, we are one of the highest. It constitutes about 14 to 15% of the GDP. So it is imperative that the costs come below 10%. And here the LogiMAT show gives the best of technology in various sectors and fields. And I think it's a good opportunity for the manufacturers to showcase the new technological advancements, and for the industry to absorb and see what are the new technologies available in this field. So I think this together, the combination of suppliers and customers, will help in India's growth story and help the manufacturing sector's growth in India. So friends, let's be a part of India's growth story.
When we have a glance at the automation and the perspective of a market such as India to automation, coming from the German perspective that I'm obviously origin from, I would say take your time, but don't miss to start, which you're obviously doing. We have really classy automation here on the show already, and I have no insight how this is scaling among India, but where India wants to go, it will have a hard time to go there without further automation. So it will be the balance of having people doing things and having robots doing things, but it will be the balance. And good luck for that. You can rely on German companies as a partner to find a way to find technology. And as I said earlier in the opening ceremony, don't try to innovate everything by your own. Have a look at what's there already standardized, as well as in the machinery safety sector. Look to ISO standards, as well as nowadays when it comes to the data exchange of mobile robots, for example. VDA 5050 is an open source project. Get on GitHub, get on the code, and start from there, not from scratch.